student of the Six Sigma, particularly on the yellow and the green belt. No? Yeah, so I was tasked to share some experiences, during I was a student of the green belt. No, with so many function that I'm handling, so I just pick one, which is HR. No, so I love doing HR services, no, particularly for people. No, and during the time when I was a student of Greenbelt, parang my mantra is don't make things so difficult. So better to simplify and straightforward, no? Of course, syempre, balancing between the project requirement and the functions that you're handling, no, on the day-to-day operations. So the project that I submitted it talks about the reduction, no, of HR services, particularly on the processing time, no, because I wanted to introduce automation, no, the old ways in HR. If you need some certificate of employment, talks about the statutory requirements, all are manuals, no, when I started here in the company, no. So, on that current processes, so there's a lot of delays, no? So may mga logs, no, in delays. So because of this Six Sigma, no, concept, so the project is to streamline the processing time of HR services, particularly on those 24 hours processing, no, service. So because of this initiative from 3 to 5 days, so we're able to streamline down to 24 hours. Max is probably 2 days. No? Very minimal yung 2 days, no, but it improves from within 24 hours processing time.